If you use DaVinci Resolve, chances are you've missed some powerful built-in effects that can save you a lot of time. DaVinci Resolve offers tons of free effects that not only speed up your workflow but also take your edits to a whole new level. So, the real question is, do you want to save time and create pro-level edits? If your answer is yes, then let's get started. First, trim your clips as needed. As you can see, I already have a few clips in my timeline. Our first effect is called blanking fill. Go to the top left corner and click on Effects. Then, under Open FX, scroll down to Resolve FX Stylize. Find blanking fill, click on it and drag it onto your footage. This effect can be used on any picture or video to fill the background. It's incredibly simple and saves you a lot of time by eliminating the need for additional layers. Now, select the clip. Open the inspector, go to the Effects section, then expand Open FX. You'll find many useful controls here, such as Blend Edge, adjust the blending of your video into the background. Blur Background, control how much blur you want. Fade Amount, set how gradually the background blends out. Fade Color, pick any color you want for the background. You'll also see a drop shadow option. Adjust shadow strength, angle, distance, and blur amount to your liking. Lightbulb Pro Tip. If you want to zoom or crop the footage, scroll down to Source Crop. Crop from the left or right and then zoom in. Everything can be done from within this single effect. No need for extra layers. It's simple and powerful. The second effect is Lens Blur, a very useful and easy-to-use blur effect that can be applied to videos, images, or text. Scroll down to Resolve FX Blur. Drag and drop Lens Blur onto your footage in the timeline. Now go to Inspector Effects, Open FX, where you can adjust the settings. Options include Blur Size, increase or decrease the blur strength. Aperture Shape, change the blur shape to triangle, square, hexagon, and more. This gives your footage a natural, stylized blur effect. This is one of my favorite and most used effects. Drop Shadow, especially for text. Go to Effects Stylize. Find Drop Shadow, drag it onto your text layer. Now open Inspector Effects Drop Shadow. Here you can modify shadow strength, angle, distance, and blur. You can also change the shadow color, whether it's blue, red, or any custom color. I usually go with black for a clean, bold look. Now you have beautiful text layered over video with a nice shadow. Looks awesome. Now let's move to transitions, starting with Foreground Wipe. Go to Video Transitions. Scroll down and find Foreground Wipe. Drag and drop it between two clips. Now adjust transition size, alignment, softness, border width, curve, adjust it to your liking. It's a smooth, customizable transition from one video to another. Now I move next transitions. Slide down and slide up. Let's add slide down first. Drag it onto a video, you'll see it transitions from top to bottom. Now add slide up. It moves from bottom to top, very clean and stylish. Click the transition and adjust. Duration, short or long. Alignment, curve and slash out. Motion blur settings, change quality, shutter angle, and more. It gives a dynamic feel to your cuts. Next is the push transition. Scroll up in Video Transitions, search for push. Drag and drop it between two clips. You'll see one clip pushes out while the next one comes in. Customize. Direction, right, left, up, down. Border width and color. Example, set it to green. Ease and slash out. Motion blur, for smoother movement. Curve, adjust to control transition flow. It's clean and professional looking. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful tools, Adjustment Clip. Go to Effects, Toolbox to Effects. Drag the adjustment clip over any section of your timeline. Any effect or animation you apply on the adjustment clip affects all the clips underneath it. For example, add zoom, set keyframes for zoom and position. Move forward, change the values again, and you get a smooth zoom animation. You can move this adjustment clip to any part of your timeline, any video or image. Let's apply lens blur on the adjustment clip now. The entire video becomes blurred. But what if we want the blur to fade out smoothly only during the zoom? Here's how. Click the adjustment clip. Create a keyframe for blur amount where the zoom starts. Move forward to where the zoom ends and set the blur amount to 0. White heavy check mark. Now the blur appears only during the zoom and fades out smoothly. And that's it. These built-in effects in DaVinci Resolve are super powerful and time-saving. You don't need third-party plugins or complicated setups. Just use these tools to enhance your videos instantly. I hope this video helped you in your editing workflow. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow creators. And don't forget to check out more editing tips right here on Visual Nova.